What is entrepreneurship? Before we define such a broad word, let's start with what entrepreneurship is not. Entrepreneurship is not about a one-person show. It is not about striking it rich right away, and it definitely is not a sexy word that boosts your resume. Now that you know what entrepreneurship is not, let's talk about what is entrepreneurship. The word entrepreneurship originated in France by Richard Cantillon. Richard described entrepreneurs as individuals who generated profits through exchanges. In addition to Richard's definition of entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship is also about creating value where there was none. For example, Uber and Lyft put value into your personal car as a driver. Airbnb put value in your extra room by being able to rent it out. Social media sites like Instagram put extra value into your exercise routines for the whole world to see and boost your presence. Now that you know what entrepreneurship is, are you ready to embark in the world of entrepreneurship, of generating revenue and creating value where there was none?